What happens when the world's #1 CRM meets the industry leader for HCP insights? Enter Life Sciences Cloud partnering with H1. I'm Carolyn Bathauer, joined by Ariel, Katz, CEO and co-founder of H1. I'm very excited to have you. Thank you for joining us. So let's jump right in. Can you describe H1, what you do, and why you were looking to partner with Salesforce?
For sure. Excited to be here. Thanks for having me. H1, our mission is to connect the world to the right doctor. We profile every doctor, every healthcare professional in the world, and tell you everything I want to know about them. We've been working with life science companies since we started the business 2017, 2018, and there wasn't enough innovation happening with customer engagement, engaging with HCPs. There was a system of record, sort of incumbent, not much innovation, and they didn't integrate well with partners, sort of a closed ecosystem. When I learned that Salesforce was coming into the marketplace with Life Sciences Cloud, we became best friends overnight, like when you meet your lover, best friend, or wife overnight, and that's what Salesforce became to us. The native AI capabilities, the open ecosystem, the partnership approach, it's been amazing for us, but more importantly for our customers and doctors and patients and everyone, so that's why we're partnering together.
Yeah, and for our customers, it's
Yes.
going to be amazing. So in today's evolving healthcare landscape, we see daily changes. Meaningful relationships with healthcare professionals is really, really important. So how does the partnership with Life Sciences Cloud enable pharma and medtech organizations to engage with healthcare professionals more effectively and, of course, leading to greater impact? Can you tell us about that?
For sure. So what Life Sciences Cloud is doing is amazing, integrating the experience from when a doctor has a question about a drug to a sales rep meeting with a doctor to someone working on a clinical trial engaging with a doctor and giving that visibility. But combined with and that workflow around it, with H1, it has all the insights about these doctors. What did they tweet 2 seconds ago to know if they should receive some content from a marketing team? Are they working on a clinical trial? Did they publish something of relevant for that pharma company to know about? And having that data be the lifeblood integrated into the aspects of Life Sciences Cloud changes experiences for doctors, changes experiences for how doctors think about life sciences companies. America's experience with pharma companies is commercials that we see on TV,
Yeah.
and a bunch of pretty pencils and donuts and beautiful conferences.
Yeah.
But it's not the same type of experience we have as consumers we have in the world. And my hope is Life Sciences Cloud plus H1 is going to bring that experience to doctors in what we're doing together.
And I think the thing that's fascinating is that the contextual experience of each provider really helps shape the decisions that they make, not just for their own practice, but for their patients as well. So having that contextual data right inside helps the interactions between these organizations, these providers. It's incredible. And that's the data, right? Data is the foundation for all of these AI experiences. So how H1, the data that powers these experiences, give us some examples of the kinds of things in the data that's pushed in.
Yeah, let's go through a few of them. I'm an oncologist. I just saw a patient with bladder cancer. I'm Johnson & Johnson. I just launched a drug for bladder cancer, knowing that a doctor just diagnosed a patient with bladder cancer and having that content automatically sent to them in Life Sciences Cloud and having that notification that that doctor just saw a patient. That doctor just announced that they're speaking at ASCO. Are you a pharma company that's going to be at ASCO, knowing that that doctor is going to be there when the agenda is posted? A doctor just published something about how they think about the safety of a drug. That pharma company has a publication about the safety of their drug and the efficacy of it, having that automatically sent to them and knowing that sales rep being notified about it. So many triggers, so many insights are possible now with H1's data, Life Sciences Cloud's workflow, and Agentforce on top of it, and what we're building together. It's really the next generation experience of like doctor interactions, engagement, customer experience.
Yeah, and the impact that positive interaction has on patients every day, that downstream effect is absolutely incredible. We've got a little bit of time left, but you've got me excited. I'm sure you've got our viewers excited. How do they get access to H1 data in their life sciences work? Tell us how they get their hands on it.
Yeah, sure. We're a partner. We're an ISV partner with Salesforce. We're in the App Exchange. It's the easiest way to get access to it. And we're excited to bring it to the market. Cannot wait for Life Sciences Cloud to go live in September, and we're right there with them.
Great. Love the partnership. Thank you so much for joining us and sharing and all of the great work that you're doing.
Thank you.
To learn more about how Salesforce can help your health and life sciences organization, scan the QR code on the screen or visit salesforce.com/HLS.